anyways, that first video you watched, the actual GoPro part, was from Saturday morning. Well, actually Saturday afternoon, because Saturday morning was a rainy mess. And luckily we were in heat 3, and they did some grooming after heat 2, and we still couldn't get out of the paddock. We were stuck. So they actually towed us with a skid steer from paddock up to grid. And then we got a few runs in, but they were all really slow, like that in-car footage there that you saw. Definitely got some work to do to the suspension, and got to weld up the rear end so we can get some posi back there, because one wheel peel was definitely not cutting it. We went up against 2 prepped Miatas, way more prepared than I was, and we still only finished 8 seconds slower, so that's pretty good. And the second set of footage there, the outside of the truck, I don't have 4 GoPros. That's 4 different runs mixed into look like one run. That's pretty much what one run would have looked like, but with a whole bunch of different footage tied together. And I think it came out pretty good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe and like. And as usual, keep it creative and happy building.